Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's going to be a slightly different video as we will be looking at one of the most incredible AI tool of recent time that you might or might not have heard of, and the tool is called Bolt. So let's get started. So here we are already at the Bolt AI. The domain for this is called Bolt.new. Here we can see it's pretty simple interface where we can provide our prompt basically in this text input of whatever we want Bolt to perform for us, and it is powered by Stack Blitz, which is also an online IDE for most JavaScript frameworks. Here are some predefined prompts which we can directly use to see how it works. Let's check them first since we need to log in order to provide the prompt in the input box, which we will do afterwards. So for now, let's click on this predefined prompt which says start a blog with Astro. So let's just click on this and it will start building this predefined prompt related application for us. So it is just running the command. At the moment it runs npm install, and here it already written the code. We can see the files and folders inside this IDE. By the way, this is the Stack Blitz IDE which we were talking about earlier. So the application has been deployed and started. So it automatically jumped to the preview section, and here we will be able to see the preview of this application. So here it has already generated this Astro blog application with this sort of content. Here are some links as well. So this is the application, by the way. Pretty cool it looks, and here we can see the code as well. Maybe somewhere here we can also change the content if we know where the content exactly is. So here is the prompt. Let us go back and try another predefined prompt. So let's go back. Not going back, so let's click on home page directly and try another prompt that says create a docs site with WordPress. So let's try this. So again it has started with npm install and it has started writing code for us. I think the application is already started, so let's check the preview. No preview available. Maybe this site doesn't contain any preview, or wait, it is already generating. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, so it has generated some cool site for us. We can also switch the theme, I guess. Yes. So here is another example of predefined prompt from the Bolt AI. So let us again go to the home page. So underneath the section of predefined prompt, here are some options to create a blank app for any of this platform. Basically, when you click them, it will start building an application, basically a blank application from the selected framework or language, so to say. So let us go here with the React app. So here is the React, and just have to click on this option. It will start building a blank React application for us. It will also generate code as always. So let's wait for a few seconds here and it will take us to the preview section. Yes, so the app has started. It just says start prompting or editing to see the magic happen. Let's go to the code section here because we can edit the React.js file. So here we are at the app.tsx file and we can write some, let's say h1 tag, and let's say this is header, and also let's make some changes inside the index.css as well. So let's define some basic style for this h1 tag. Let's say font size 50 pixel. Save this, and we need to do it again. This is header, and let's also put the break tag. So as soon as we save our application, it automatically rebuilds it, but at this moment it shows some issue here. I think this tag won't work here, so let's just save it without it, and let's check the preview again. So here we can see our changes have already been reflected into the output, and this is how we can make our blank application inside this online editor. So in the final step, let's go on providing some meaningful prompt here, which is a lot crazier than we would have ever thought. So in order to provide the prompt, we first need to log in. So whenever we start writing here and press enter, it will ask us to sign in or sign up. We have already signed up, so we can directly sign in this case. So it has basically validated us through this techblitz.com, and let's sign in. Let's just stop it because it is not meaningful. Let's just provide some prompt. So here we are at the home page. So let's try to provide some prompt which says create an app which let us upload images and create a PDF out of it. So our prompt is ready. So let's click on this build button. So it has started building an application for us. I will help you create an app that allows users to upload image and convert them into a PDF. We'll use the React PDF library. So it has already created an application inside React, and it is using React PDF library in order to generate PDF for us. So the code is started. A lot of files have been generated which could take days for us to complete, and this tool is generating like in a minute. It has also provided a step how to use this app. Drag and drop images or click to select them, preview the uploaded images, remove any unwanted images by hovering and clicking X button, click the download PDF button to generate and download the PDF. So pretty clear. So let us wait until the preview comes up. So the preview is here. Let's try to upload some images. Let's upload, let's say this 4 images. Show problem, it has some issue as well. Binding expected null, config error. Let's try to remove some of the images. Try downloading, yes. Now it shows the arrow. Let's download. So it has already generated a PDF for us. Each image has been placed inside a separate page inside PDF. Let's try to add one more feature to this application. Let's try it like vice versa. If I upload a PDF, then it should provide images. I mean, each page should be converted to the separate image. So let's try. Can you also do the vice versa? Means generate images out of PDF pages. Let's try how it goes. So it has started editing the code according to our requirements. So let's see. The new feature has been implemented as well. So let's see how it looks like. Yeah, so now here we can see the two options, images to PDF and PDF to image. So let's try and upload some PDF. So this is the PDF which we have generated via this image to PDF conversion. So error converting PDF, please try again. I think it has some issue. Here it says attempt fix. Let's try to fix this. The error occurs because we are trying to load pdf.js worker from CD, and that might be unreliable. Let's fix this by using the worker directly from node module. So let's see if it could fix this error or not. No, it is not able to fix this. Undo this change. Yeah, so our old application is back, but the PDF to images module is not working due to some CDN issues. But anyway, it has generated some significant amount of code in order to build this application, and first half of the application has also worked successfully as well. This PDF to images has slight issues which we can look into it and fix it. So this was the Bolt AI which we can use in order to generate boilerplate code or a full-fledged application according to our requirements. So it is very quick and effective. Here we need to take care about the number of prompts that we are giving, because in the free subscription the number of prompts are limited. Here we can see it is called token. So per day token is 150,000 and per month it is 1 million. So till this point our application is private, which means we can only access our application when we are logged in into the Bolt AI. But if we want to make it public, then we can also do so by clicking on this deploy button here. So we can deploy this app and it will basically provide us with an open endpoint where we can see the same application on the public domain. So it had started deploying our application to the public endpoint. So let's wait for another few seconds. So here we are ready with the open endpoint of our application. So we can simply click on this and open this link into the new tab, and here we can see our application is running on the public endpoint. We can refer to application using this domain from anywhere, and underneath that it has already given us account access as well. So to transfer this Netlify project to your own account, you can use the claim URL. So by clicking on this URL we can claim our application. So if we have our own domain, then we can also use that domain in order to host the same application. So I hope you find this video useful and informative. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.